So, hi guys, my name is Irish Juliana E. Reyes from BS Criminology 2Y2-3. So, for today, i-discuss ko ang digital camera front and back. So, this is my drawing, the digital camera. So, first is the shutter button. Shutter button. Shutter button, press this button all the way to take a picture. Then second is control buttons. Control buttons adjust various camera settings. Shooting mode dial. Change among different scene modes, adjust exposure choices, and so on. Microphone. Microphone. Microphone capture audio for movie clips and voice and annotations, or even activate a sound-triggered self-timer. Focus assist light. Helps the camera focus in dim lighting condition. So, electronic flash provides additional light to your scene. Then, optical viewfinder to frame the compose your pictures. Zoom lens and control magnifies or reduces the size of the image. So tripod socket allows you to attach the camera to a frame support. Docking port can be used to transfer photos, recharge the batteries, make prints, or perform other functions. Battery compartment contains the cells that power the camera. Then power switch. Power switch turn the camera on or off. Indicator LEDs. Indicator LEDs show the camera's status. LCD liquid critical LCD liquid crystal display panel, the camera's display. Display control menu button controls the amount of information shown in the LCD and menus. Pictures review. Press the button on the review the pictures you already taken. Cursor pad. Navigate menu choices. Self-execute button. Activate a features or set a menu. Choose to the current selection. Memory card slot. Accept digital memory cards. USB port. Access for a USB cable. File save LED. This light usually light up to indicate that an image is being saved to the memory card. So that's all. This is the digital camera front and back. So, ang pangalawang i-discuss ko ay ang analog camera. So, this is the analog front and back. So, analog camera capture image by exposing photographic film to light, with the scene in the front of the lens being reproduced onto the material thanks to the chemical reaction between the silver halides and the light itself. The film is then developed in a darkroom and turned into an actual photographic print. Front parts of analog camera. The shutter speed dial. Provide the selection of the shutter speeds and indicates the timing of the shutter open the closest. A fast shutter speed such as 1 to 500 seconds will close faster than, say, 1 to 2 seconds exposure time. In this case, the shutter The shutter curtain will close very fast and thus resulting in less light entering the film. A film advance lever is one of the camera parts film cameras may possess but digital camera do not. This is a part found in the antique and antique antique and vintage film cameras. The normal location would be where the right thumb would sit on the top of the camera body directly behind the shutter release button. When pressed, the shutter button of the camera is released so that it opens to capture a picture and then closes, allowing exposure time as determined by the shutter speed setting, which may be automatic. The lens of a camera captures the light from the subject and brings into a focus on the sensor. A hat shoe is a connector on a digital or analog camera. It is used to connect a variety of devices that communicate with the camera. If the hat shoe has a metal contact, the device can then talk to the camera. You will usually find the hat shoe on the highest point of the camera when held upright. Film rewind, lever, and camera back release. So this is a rare parts of analog camera. Viewfinder camera component that shows the photographer the area of the subject that will be included in a photographic. Film compartment, film take up reel, rewind release button. So that's all, and this is the analog camera front and back.